So this is 4104 at Secrets Royal Beach. This is a garden terrace room. Separate toilet room in the bathroom. This is what's provided. Sunscreen, body lotion, shower gel, conditioning shampoo, shoe polisher, vanity pack, shower cap, shave cream, and a little sewing kit. Shower. Closets over here. You have a safe and an iron. Also comes with 2 robes and an umbrella. This is a double bedroom. TV and a desk. This is actually a connecting room. These are not guaranteed, but you can certainly request it. A little sitting area. It's very nice in here. A little coffee pot. Down here we also have a mini bar. So you're gonna have beer, water, soda, no hard alcohol in here, but certainly enough at the bars. And then your little patio area. So here's a jetted soaking tub, 2 chairs, and loungers. So again, this is a garden terrace. So you look out into the garden. It's very nice and quiet over here. All right, so Secrets Royal Beach, garden terrace room. If you have any questions about this property, please let me know. memoriesandmojitos@gmail.com. Talk to you soon.